1 Minute Galician Lesson 3. Hello and welcome again to 1 Minute Galician, where you can learn Galician 1 minute at a time with me, Mark.
And me, Ushia.
We're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Galician. You can guarantee that if you say this to a Galician speaker, they will be very impressed with your skills. And remember that a little language goes a long way.
The clock is ticking, so let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for Galician in Galician is...
Galego.
Let's repeat that.
Galego.
Now, it's important that you know this word well for this lesson because we'll be using it quite a bit. Try saying it again.
Galego.
To say that you speak Galician, you say...
Falo galego.
Note that in Galician you don't need the word for I, because I is already contained in the ending of the word falo. Don't worry about this just now. Listen again and repeat after Ushia.
Falo galego.
One more time.
Falo galego.
We're going to add to this a little. Perhaps it's safer to say I can speak a little Galician. The word for a little is...
Un pouco.
So putting this together with...
Falo galego.
You would say...
Falo un pouco de galego.
That's like saying I speak a little of Galician. Listen to it again.
Falo un pouco de galego.
Excellent. Try it one more time.
Falo un pouco de galego. Time's up.
We're sure that the new phrases you've learned today will go down well with your Galician-speaking friends or business colleagues.
That's all for today. Gracias e hasta luego.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.